Hi, welcome. It's the 8th of July, 2025. This is Daniel Parsons. This is an exciting day in Pharm Global Network. It's a company based in California since 2011. And behind me, you can see the Cellnergy TeraHertz Wellness red light device being held by the Cellnergy device stand. This allows you to get terahertz therapy in the different parts of the body that you want to treat. And I want to go on screen share and introduce to you the brand new um, foot charge. It's a terahertz foot charge. And let's go there. So, just 10 minutes a day for daily regeneration. And Life Farm is rebranding itself as the Regeneration Company. So, using this Cellnergy foot chart is simple, effortless, and fits right into your daily routine. Sit comfortably and place your bare feet on the pad. Select your preferred mode and intensity level. Choose your heat setting, low or high. Relax for 10 to 20 minutes once or twice daily. Pro tip, start with relaxed, finish with kneading or strength. Use before bed for better sleep. So I want to go to my next slide. 6 targeted modes, one goal, wellness. Customize your wellness routine based on how you want to feel. Cellnergy Foot Chart gives you full control with 6 specialized modes, 10 intensity levels, and 2 heat settings designed to support nerve function, circulation, and daily recovery. Each mode targets a specific benefit. Mode 1 is tighten. Mode 2 is relax. Mode 3 is strength. Mode 4 is kneading. Mode 5 is shake. Mode 6 is tap. And you can always stop the video and read the finer details of each mode. On to the next. Experience targeted relief and holistic regeneration. Eases numbness, tingling, and neuropathy symptoms to restore comfort and ease. Supports balance and coordination for safer, more confident movement. Boosts nerve sensitivity and strengthens communication between brain and body for improved responsiveness. Accelerates reaction time, supporting agility and confident mobility. That's so important as we all get older. Promotes deeper, more restorative sleep and reduces nerve related fatigue for renewed energy. And that is extremely important also. Right here is a good place for me to give the FDA disclaimer. Life Farm products are not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your medical provider before you begin any new modalities or wellness regimens. And I am not a medical doctor. I am an Air Force veteran, and I'm retired from now it's a major airline. When I worked there, it was not one of the majors, but it's grown into a major. So and I found myself in the wellness field because I was fascinated with learning how to better take care of my body in 2005. So, infrared thermotherapy, deep relief, lasting circulation, delivering soothing, controlled heat between 38 to 45 degrees Celsius, which the equivalent Fahrenheit is 100 to 113. Infrared thermotherapy penetrates deep into muscle and connective tissues to enhance circulation. As circulation improves, nutrients and energy flow more efficiently, fueling cellular repair and supporting nervous system recovery from the inside out. This gentle heat therapy helps boost blood flow and oxygenation, accelerate detoxification, reduce tension and discomfort. Clinical research has shown that infrared thermotherapy can boost microcirculation by up to 80. That's from the Journal of Photomedicine and Laser Surgery 2017. Next slide. Oops, we want to skip that one there. I want to go, I got to go to this one here. Okay. And let me go back to holistic. There. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I'm not sure why. Usage guide. This is the one I want. Okay, apologize for that. Things to know before using. Use only under doctor's guidance. The following individuals should consult a doctor before using the device. Menstruating women, people with sensitive skin, heart disease or abnormal blood pressure, cerebrovascular disease, e.g. stroke or TIA, acute illness or infection, patients receiving active medical treatment. Okay. Usage restrictions. Do not use the device if you belong to these categories. Malignant tumor patients, patients with bleeding tendencies, pregnant or laboring women, parturient, patients with acute suppurative inflammation, people with cardiac pacemakers, people with metal implants. So let me go off of share there, and I want to bring up the promotion now. Okay, so until July the 31st, you can buy one Cellnergy foot charge and get one free Cellnergy power cream. Use the promo code at checkout, Regenerate. Okay, and I'll give you the website here in just a minute. This item will begin shipping after July the 15th. Today is Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025. So 1 week from today, the foot charge will be shipping. I believe the warehouse in Europe is already stocked. So Europe and the United Kingdom can order now. You can order in the United States. It just won't ship. And so you get the free gift of the $49 value of the Cellnergy Power Cream. So let me go off of screen share and come back into the room here and stop screen sharing. And so this is that Cellnergy Power Cream. This is a very thermal. It goes under. I have testimonials from clients about how it heats up their targeted areas that they want to get some relief underneath their skin, and they've never found a product that can actually do that. I'm trying to get it so you can actually see the product a lot better. Maybe the box will show a little bit better. So it's Cellnergy Power Cream. And then the last thing I want to share with you is the Pharm began in 2011, 2012 with this laminine product. And this is helping your body's ability to repair and regenerate itself with stem cell. I'll just read what it says here. Growth factor and stem cell optimizer. So I just want to end with this. I want to show you the website you can go to. So let's go back on screen share, and I'll go to the browser. Let me cancel. Hang on a second. I'll pull up the site right now. So lifepharm.com, Daniel. And so just lifepharm.com/Daniel. And let me go on screen share so you can see this. Share screen. Share. So you can see LIFE and then PHARM.com and then /Daniel. And so that way you can end up into my back office to order a device. And you can also call me, area code 360-383-0265. So this is Daniel signing off on the Cellnergy Foot Charge. Bye for now.